Childhood means fun unlimited, the bounteous shower of love and care, realm of imagination, the joy of growing up. Children carry the hopes of a brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of the children. Today, we are commemorating the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The day emphasizes on the importance of giving love, attention, and affection to children. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country. A very warm welcome to all those who have joined virtually to observe this auspicious day. I am Savita Sharma and I am here to take you through the proceedings of the day. May I now take the opportunity of inviting our revered Principal Sir, Coordinator Madam, respected Headmistress Madam, our beloved supervisors and the Staff Secretary to come upon the stage and pay floral tribute to the great soul.
Swara
On this auspicious day, let us celebrate the innocence and purity of our children. So here we have a group of teachers all set to enthrall us with their musical rendition, composed and directed by our music teachers Punna Sir and Rupak Sir. Thank you, dear teachers, for presenting such a marvelous presentation before all of us. Now, how can we forget our Indian tradition? Lord Ganesha is always worshipped first according to our Hindu religion. Let's not forget to take the blessings of Ganpati Bappa on this auspicious occasion. Let's invite our young and energetic friends of standard 6 to 9 to present their group dance on Ganesh Vandana.
Om Gajananam Bhutaganaadisevitam Kapitha Jambupalacharu Bhakshanam Umasutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Padapankajam Mudakarattimodakam Sada Vimukti Sadhakam Kaladhara Vatansakam Kridasilokarajakam Manayakaikanayakam Vinashitai Udaityakam Tata Subhasunosakam Namamitam Vinayakam Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Gananayaka Ganadhisa Shri Ganesha Sabu Vigna ko Karanasa Shri Ganesha Tume Siddhidata Puni Buddhidata Tume Mangalamaya Subha Karta Sabu Asubha Kukara Vinasa Shri Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Shri Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Shri Ganesha Jaya Ganesha Shri Ganesha Jaya Ganesha तुमे मातांकु बचन दे निज पितांकु छाड़िल नाही तुमे जगिल गुंफार द्वार तिनी लोके तुम जयकार हे पार्वती सुत लंबोदर तुम उदरे रहिछि तिनी पुर आज नाश कर सब कलुषा Mudakarattimodakam Sada Vimukti Sadhakam Kaladhara Vatansakam Kridasilokarajakam Manayakaikanayakam Vinashitai Udaityakam Tata Subhasunosakam Namamitam Vinayakam Shri Ganesha Jaya Ganesha 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 He Agra Pujya Ganapati तुम बिना नहीं अन्य गति हे गजानन गणनाथ तुमे जमकु करिछ पराजित तुमे तांडव नाचिले थरे बही हे त्रिकाल विजयी त्राही त्राही तुम कृपार कर प्रकाश Mudakarattimodakam Sada Vimukti Sadhakam Kaladhara Vatansakam Kridasilokarajakam Manayakaikanayakam Vinashitai Udaityakam Tata Subhasunosakam श्री गणेश जय गणेश श्री गणेश जय गणेश श्री गणेश जय गणेश श्री गणेश जय गणेश ओम नमः गणेशाय नमः गणेशाय।
Wow, what an excellent performance. I'm sure all of you must have enjoyed it. Dancers are the true messengers of God. Today, we are about to witness some great dancers, some great talents. So let's gear up for a beautiful performance by Pratiksha Rai of class 8 for a classical dance. Let me apprise everyone that she is also the best performer as well as winner for the classical category. How captivating! That was indeed a lovely performance. Poetry of footsteps, a blend of cosmic tune and divine music. Thank you, Pratiksha. Now it's time to invite one of our beloved teachers, Madam Bharti Pradhan, to throw some more light on this eventful occasion of Children's Day with her astounding words.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Coordinator Madam, all supervisors, my colleagues, and my dear loving children. At the outset, I wish all of you a happy Children's Day. Dear all, I feel that you all are missing the annual Pump and Sew celebration of this Children's Day. But thanks to technology that we are at least connected with each other. This global pandemic, this 2020, has taught us a great lesson. Never take the things for granted. Yes, my dear children, please come out of your comfort zone. Come out of the cocoon life that you are used to. I know you have always shown the tendency to fight back, to accept the challenge. All of us should. It is fair to say that this generation and the next generations will face more profound challenges that we might have imagined for. So the spirit to accept the challenge should be always there. In this context, I am reminded of our late President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who once opined, never stop dreaming. Pursue your dream. Accept it. Dream something big. Aim higher. And I believe this corona pandemic has given us a gift, the gift of time with self. Time with self. It's time for all of us to rethink, to re-innovate, to reshape our dream. Let's find out where you had missed out the strengths of your dream. Arrange them into proper shape. I'm sure you can fulfill your dream, be deserving citizens of this country, and contribute something concrete to the nation building. Before I wind up, just one more appeal, children. Learn how to express gratitude. I feel the present generation falls short of it. Maybe a small gesture of love and support that you get from anyone. Maybe from a friend, from a family member, from a relative. Please, do express your gratefulness even for the smallest gesture of love and support that you get. And today, being a teacher, it's my time to express my gratitude to all of you. Dear children, without you, we teachers do not have any identity. If learning is a never-ending process, it's because of you. In every class, every moment, I'm learning something from you. So a big thank you to you. Once again, happy Children's Day. Stay safe and stay happy. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bharti Madam, for your inspirational and motivational words. Now hold your breath. Yes, friends, to draw the strings of our hearts and add soothing voice to cherish our souls by chanting a beautiful song, let's invite Risha Mishra, the Nightingale of the A.B. Chandrasekharpur, to present her recital for all of us. Let me apprise everyone that she is also the winner of Cadence Junior for the session 2020-20. That was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating, how solacing. The tone of music is still tickling my eardrums. Keep it up, my dear. Does dancing make you happy? Does it make you feel carefree? Dance to the rhythm of your heart and you will feel happiness like never before. It does not matter whether you like jazz or salsa. What matters is your heart loves to dance. Our next dance performance is the modern dance form, which is known to be the most beautiful and the most expressive dance form ever, which involves various dance movements, mesmerizing formations, which engrosses its audience to the core. Without much delay, let's invite Saurabh Swam Prakash, a student of class 6, for his breathtaking performance.
Today,
Thank you, dear Saurav. You truly stole our hearts with your magical performance. Now it's time to invite another mellifluous singer from the senior category, all set to mesmerize us with her musical rendition. Let me apprise everyone here that she has been conferred the winner of Cadence for the session 2020-20 from the senior category. Let's invite Priyansika Sahu of class 9 to cast a magical spell on everyone.
लब पर आए गीत सुहाने, लब पर आए गीत सुहाने, मान जियरा लाख
Thank you, dear, for the blend of cosmic tune and divine music. Let's move forward to yet another scintillating dance form, that is semi-classical, a dance form which is a blend of tradition and art. To present the same, let's invite Sumita Pradhan of class 9th. Thank you, Sumita, for presenting such a wonderful and captivating dance. Now, we have a very special and unique program for our beloved children on this significant day by our beloved teachers.
लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। घोड़ा अपना तगड़ा है, देखो कितनी चर्बी है, कहता है मैं रूली में पर घोड़ा अपना अरबी है। दांत छिड़ा के दौड़ा दौड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा।
Thank you, dear teachers, for such a lovely and wonderful dance presentation. Since we have come to the last segment of today's virtual Children's Day celebration, it's my proud privilege for having been given the opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the guiding star of this institution, Dr. K.C. Satpathy. I'm also thankful to our esteemed coordinator, Madam Indira Bhattacharya, for her constant motivation and support. I am also grateful to all the beloved supervisors for their wholehearted support. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the teachers and the members of staff for having extended their helping hand. I would also like to thank all my loving students. This event would not have been possible without your support. I would also like to thank Anand sir for the wholehearted support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and everyone for making this program a successful one.